Hello. So today, this is review again. So we have a quadratic equation and we're looking for the vertex. So in order to do that, we have to use this little formula, the opposite. Usually you see it like this, that x is equal to the opposite of b over 2a. All right, so we need to identify a, b, and c. So a is -4, b is 16, c is -19. And we're going to use our little formula, that x is equal to the opposite of b over 2 times a. So that is a -16 over a -8, which is 2. So x is 2. So we know that is the axis of symmetry. But in order to find the vertex, so this is the first part of our vertex, x is 2. To find the rest of it, the y value, we have to go back to our original equation and substitute. So we're going back to y equals, and wherever there's an x, we're going to put a 2. -4 times 2 squared plus 16 times 2 minus 19. So order of operations, we're going to do powers first. So we had -4 times 4. So that's -16. Multiply here, +32. Bring down the 19. Okay. And when you add this together, use a calculator or not, you end up with a -3. Y is equal to -3. So we know our x value, now we know our y value. That's the vertex. That's the highest point on our graph. That's what that means. The vertex is, in these problems, the high point. Okay? So when we when we have these parabolas, here's the vertex. And if something is traveling in this direction, this is the high point. So if our answer is 2, 3, what it means is in 2 seconds it was 3 feet, miles, whatever high, whatever the unit is. Okay? So this is time, this is height. All right? Let's do one more. Okay, we always have to identify A, B, and C. A is 2, B is -12, C is 22. All right, first we're going to use our formula. X is equal to the opposite of B over 2A. So X is equal to the opposite of -12 over 2 times 2. X is equal to 12 over 4, so X is 3. We have the first part of our answer. Okay. And then we're going to substitute, sorry for the wiggle there. Write our equation. Y is equal to 2x squared minus 12x plus 22. And wherever there's an x, we're going to put a 3. So y equals 2 times 3 squared minus 12 times 3 plus 22. Order of operations, powers first, so 3 squared is 9, and 2 times 9 is 18. 12 times 3, bring down the negative, or -12 times 3, -36. Bring down the 22. And then we have to add this. I don't have a calculator here, so I know 18 and 22 is 30. And minus a 36, so that gives me a -6. I go back up here, my answer is a -6. Seems odd to have a negative answer. This isn't a real world problem. So if it were a real world problem, you would not have an answer of -6. Okay?